I get generic questions about food all the time. Usually the question is simple, but the answer is often complicated. Hey cooking doc, is chocolate good for you? And the answer is, it depends. It depends on what serving size of chocolate you're eating. It depends on what type of chocolate you're eating. It depends on what you've had up until that point where you eat the chocolate in the day. It depends on what you've had up until that point in the week. It depends on whether you've spent the day in the gym or maybe you've spent it lying on the couch. It depends on how much that chocolate is going to make you feel less sad and depressed. It depends on whether or not you're eating that chocolate by yourself or with friends and family at a function, at a communal effort. I know you're looking for a less ambiguous answer, right? And you've seen the news reports that say that chocolate is good for your blood pressure or your heart or your memory. But I can tell you with good certainty that a little bit of chocolate that you eat every day is not going to be the difference between whether or not you develop high blood pressure or heart disease or dementia. In my opinion, food just doesn't work that way. There are way too many other variables involved in what you're doing during the day, what you're eating, how you're feeling, what your life is like. It's hard to say that one specific food will be the difference and that we can label that food as good. I know a lot of you will see a news story that says chocolate is good for your mind or good for your heart, and you'll take that as an excuse to eat more chocolate or to eat chocolate at all. But guess what? You don't need an excuse. Eat small portions of chocolate. Savor it. Choose dark chocolate because it usually has less sugar than milk chocolate. Eat chocolate because it's delicious. Eat chocolate because it's decadent. Eat chocolate because it makes you feel good. But mostly think of chocolate as a treat. One of the pleasures of life, one of the things that makes life worth living. You don't need anything more than that to tell you to eat a little chocolate and incorporate it as a treat as part of an otherwise healthy diet. So we talked a little bit about sweets today as a treat. Take a look online on our website and find out how to eat an otherwise healthy diet and find some delicious recipes on thecookingdoc.co.